Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
It's like you can't make anything this big look good on anyone. Jack Harlow does not look good with glasses. Imogen Heap, actually Imogen Heap might look good with glasses.
Imogen Heap is one of those people who like could sincerely get away with wearing gigantic glasses.
Yeah, actually the most interesting thing about these pictures is they're in black and white.
That if it's true, then we pick the this second item here, and if it is false, we get the. We can also.
And help complete the picture with blood screening. Join Renewvo today at renewvo.com.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, just scrolling on top.
Oh yeah, you got really far, real fast.
Doctor.
Made it real far, dipshit.
Bro, nobody follows this shit.
Друзья, еще раз утро доброе всем. Это нихуя не доброе. У меня остается только единственное предположение. Вот.
Get off my ass. You're the one who couldn't even make the turn over here. You were the craziest mother ever, bro. I'm on the far right lane, bro. What in the is wrong with you? Was it, bro? What is your problem? Holy shit! What do you have beef with me?
Jesus, oh my God, if somebody hit my brand new car the day I got it.
String lights hang off the back porch, just sing like on the 4th of July.
Yeah, we were talking about thousands of dollars, $10,000. WAL came along, and we got a mass, and it was less money. We were talking about $20,000, okay? And then we were on ESPNs, sponsors, okay? So you could get some sponsor money. If you were the best, you could barely.
Surprised.
force does have a right to exist. And so my question to you would be, what does that mean?
Holy sh!
What your question is, are you asking does it have a right to exist?
I think Tucker's stalling for time here. No, I'm...
God damn, man. Oh, welcome, Dano.
Kill the demons of my mind ever since you came.
Psycho ass.
There were even fewer who would dare phone before dawn. He stopped pedaling, caught his breath, and answered. Yes? Good morning, Director, said a woman's voice with an urgent edge. This is Heidi Nate.
Okay, Garvin.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.